It's day 9 of 14 days back to back on the Celebrity Apex cruise ship. Here we go. It is our first full day at sea on our second week on the Apex back to back. A hard-boiled egg and a coffee to start the day as we sit in our office away from home Cafe El Baccio. And it is the best view I have ever seen from a desk. Look at that magnificent sea. After editing all morning, we decided to take a break and head up to the buffet. I had stir fry and John went to the pasta station. There are lots of other options. Latin favorites. They have a sandwich station, grilled favorites, chef's favorites, and lots of choices for desserts. And right after lunch, we went back to Cafe El Baccio, got our favorite table in the middle, and the four of us, that's our friends Nelson and Christina, we all played music bingo. They hold it down in the Grand Plaza, but you can participate from up in Cafe El Baccio. And here's a glimpse of the activities team, and they never lack enthusiasm or energy. It's always wonderful to see how much effort they put into their job. And then it was off to general trivia at the club. Still not doing any good at it, but still having fun. After getting cleaned up and changed, it was off to Blue for dinner. This is my starter, the baked brie, and oh so delicious. Our friend Nelson ordered the crab cocktail, and not something that I would eat, but he said it was absolutely delicious. Here is the sommelier pouring me a glass of my favorite wine, Moscato d'Asti, and the servers in Blue, the entire team, is absolutely fabulous. Here they are serving our main entrees. That is spaghetti from Cosmopolitan. Christina got the turkey parmesan. John also got the turkey parmesan, and Nelson ordered the steak Diane off of the main dining room menu. And as a side, I ordered just a piece of the turkey parmesan to go with my pasta from the Cosmopolitan. And there's more of the team. They are awesome. One of us had the creme brulee for dessert, and John had the pear. It's kind of like a tart, and with yogurt on top, and he said it was really good. Then it was off to the Grand Plaza, where we enjoyed one of the house bands play and sing some songs for us. We had a cocktail, and then we headed off to the main theater, where they had the Super Bowl game on the large screen. It was quite the unique experience to watch the Super Bowl in a venue like this. It was really interesting, and the house was packed, as you can imagine. But they also had the Super Bowl playing on every public area television throughout the entire ship. There were special snacks that were served, and the drinks were aplenty by the servers. And all in all, it was a great evening and another wonderful day on the Apex. We'll see you tomorrow.